The internet is home to the birth of many great creations. Not just entertainment but money in the form of cryptocurrency. Now something else has risen up to become the next big thing in the internet world: non-fungible tokens or NFTs. An NFT is defined as a unit of data stored on a digital ledger, called a blockchain, that certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audio, and other types of digital files. Simply put, you buy a piece of digital art and you, and possible a select few, are the only one to have it, own it, and can share it on social media. One of the key benefits of NFTs is that some of them can grow in value. Think of it like owning a one-of-a-kind painting from an elite European painter that set you back around 8K. You are the only one that has that painting. You are the only one that can share it with your friends and family in your home. That painting is yours. Now we all know DLC, downloadable content, and how that works for video games. You pay a small fee for additional content, be it costumes, weapons, story missions, and you download it to play in your game. What if game developers applied the world of NFTs to DLC? For example, a company releases a game. The game comes out with DLC like normal, but for some rare cosmetic for your character or weapon they decide to only release it on official NFT websites and only to 50 people at $5. That means that those 50 people would be the only ones running around the online servers with this cosmetic for the other millions of players to see and envy. This could be a new opportunity for indie devs to generate more revenue in the NFT market. It is something that the game industry could possibly do with future DLC. The NFT market has had its ups and downs as of lately, but let's hope that the entire NFT market doesn't go the way of the dodo bird. We really hope you enjoyed this video on the NFT market. You can support us by giving us a like and a subscribe below. Be sure to check out our other videos on Unity 3D and other game design related news.